for Law College on the World Book and Copyright Day, as one of our young poets, Mr. Akash Goswami's works are being released at this virtual book launch by Honorable Vice Chancellor of Uttaranchal University, Professor Dr. Devendra Pathak ji. Just a few words about the poet. Today we have with us Akash Goswami, a student of BA LLB Honours, first year, there's a second semester. And apart from education, which is his passion, that's law, he is also an international chess player and is also associated with the Poetry World organization as a PR manager. And he belongs to Bihar and intends to become an IAS officer. All the very best, Akash. A little about the book for today. The book is about the various human feelings in words of Akash, and it is being released by a multinational company, Poetry World ORG, and is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Google Play Books, published across 5 countries, and it contains a collection of poems in English and Hinglish. So with this, I'd like to invite on stage Sir Devendra Pathak ji to kind of release the book officially. And also, I invite Professor Dr. Rajesh Baguna sir to virtually join us on this particular occasion. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I take this opportunity to request Honorable Vice Chancellor sir to share a few words and bless our student.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Very good afternoon to all of you. Thank you. Law College of Dehradun. Dr. Poonam Rawat ma'am, HOD of Law College of Dehradun. Our faculty, Dr. Vijaya Lakshmi of Law College of Dehradun. I can see Mr. Dixit of Law College, some other faculty members who are just in my front, and my other faculty members who are here with me. I can name Ankur and our in charge of IPAC, and the celebrity of this afternoon, Mr. Akash Goswami. Really, it's a privilege and honor for me to release this collection of poetries in poems by Akash Goswami, a young, talented young man of brilliant parts and a very imaginative, creative, talented boy who in the beginning of his career itself, he has made a very impressive mark by coming out with a collection of poems which definitely Kya Likhu. It shows that a poet is hidden in him, the latent poet that is in him, that has found expression in the shape of the collection of these the short poems and the poems in the form of a book that contains so many poems. The poetry, of course, is an inner expression of the heart, and it also reflects the personality, that how in depth of feelings and in fertility of fancy, a man can, how deeply he can dive, fathom the bottom of the ocean of the literary world, and in that Mr. Akash Goswami, he has given a rare reflection of his talent that he is having. In this young age, his ideas are so really penetrative, so suggestive, so appealing. Definitely, it is bound to create a flutter in the literary world. And I will suggest him to next time when the Jaipur Literary Fest or any other literary fest is there, he must participate, he must have participated also, and our all best wishes are to him. For a person who is having a poet at heart, it has already been told that the poems or the poetry is a collection in tranquility. When you are in a serene moment and so many thoughts just come to your mind, and finally some thoughts which are really very deeper, which touches your senses at the same time, which also really urges you to come out with your feelings, then you put it in black and white, and then a poem takes birth. And the imagination reaches so far that somebody has told correctly, "Jahan na jaye Ravi, wahan jaye Kavi." So he transcends all the barriers and he goes beyond the cosmos. For the poets, they had been told, the whole of our India, it is in the context of India, Sur Surj, Tulsi Sasi, Udgan Kesavadas, आज के कवि खद्योत सम जहाँ का करत प्रकाश. Means the Surdas is known as the Surya. He is compared with the Surya of the poetic world, and the Goswami Tulsidas, the creator of the Ramcharitmanas, he is known as the moon of the poetic world. And Udgan and Kesav Das, some other poets have been there who are here and there, and the Jugnu, what is it called? The light, and it again conceals. So the today's poets, they are like that, they here and there. But then still, in this world of crisis, in the world of strife, in the world of distress, in the world of self-centered world, if somebody comes out with a feeling and understands the feeling, and he tries to bring out something which really soothes the feelings of the other, that is really something which is very, very work which really serves the society. Because in the morning also, in the World Book Day, which happens to be a very, very significant day, where we had a separate meeting, and another gathering was there, where also I had occasions to say a few lines. There I was telling that really a poet, he always loves not only in confinement. Normally they say the poets, they are always very, very confined, they are always very, very in solitary place, in a very solitude, in a loneliness. But then in there the different currents, turbulent currents are always flowing in the heart, and that ultimately finds an expression in the form of a poem. I remember the Shelley, who wrote the Solitary Reaper, the name Raleigh, and those of you Raleigh from the English literature, and a few of the other poems also, even the Wordsworth Daffodils also, that how you see the daffodils, that you fade away so soon, Yet the early rising sun was not something like that. Third appearance, we need to see third away so soon. So just from the just seeing the flower and the solitary reaper, the lady who is reaping the crop, the dew that is produced by the ripened, yes, the fruits, the ripened crop. So when it is being cut, with the air combination of the air, some sound it is created. At the same time, she is enjoying that reaping. She also sings, and that produces such melodious sound. Broken appointment. There is another the poet where actually he depicts his picture that how he feels so much embarrassed, so much lonely, when his fiancée, the appointed time she has not come, Lord Byron. So the poets there really they have created. In our own Kalidasa, the Meghdweepa, when the Sakuntala, she is not having any medium just to contact the Bharata, who has left her and he has gone and probably he has completely oblivious that he had some, say, spent some time together with the Sakuntala and now he is busy in his kingdom. Then how she prepares the Meghas, now only the cloud computing system has come and we have everything, we are storing the cloud and we are retrieving it in the cloud and we are sending a technique of a button, we are sending a message to North Pole or to Alaska within a fraction of a second. So finding no other alternative, she requests the Megha, the cloud, that you go and take now this message and give it to pour this message to my beloved. So likewise, the poets really, they have the infinite, they have the unimaginable, uncomparable, unfathomable. They are the qualities by which really they reach where the others they cannot simply think of. That's why now this one, the satellite which has already landed on the moon and already landed on Mars. So all the scientists who are the abstract scientists, they can analyze the rocks, they can enjoy the environment. But how the entire cosmos, or how the Earth, how the outer crater of the moon, the Mars, how it looks, or what is the feeling, just like that, many of the poets are there who have described of the nature. And they have described so beautifully that this one we all love to read and know more about it. So those say they are now planning that they will be very settled in the Houston, in the NASA center. They will be preparing some as a poets like Akash, who will be taken to the Mars or to the moon, so that they can see and they can critically describe the beauty that the nature has offered, and the others we can simply say read it, we can simply feel it. So they have a third eye like say, Lord Shiva, but not for just savoring any fire, but the savoring all the good things and best things there. So Akash, really all deserve our heartiest congratulations, and our all wishes, well wishes are there with you. I really personally congratulate you on behalf of all our faculty members and all those who are present here. We issue a long meaning to the poem. This is really a world where really, so you can make such a in a very short time, probably will be known in the whole of the world. I know a few of the one, say, by a small one book, the God of the Small Things, the Arundhati Rai. She really is known all over the world now. That is the single book so far. Other books also she has written, but one book that she wrote about depicting the plight of those who are also in the Madhya Pradesh, in those areas, the Buxar areas, where they are now known as extremists. But then how they are living. So, and that really has created so many things. Then Emily Bronte, if you have read Emily Bronte, The Withering Heights, that one of the novels, there she is depicting that how the feelings of person, how it withers when something really some of your loved ones, you get yourself detached or she detaches you. So there is a very subtle, very imaginative, very serene moment when the poet reaches that and they try to depict and they try to paint, and that painting, that presentation, that's really very interesting. All those things are really very happening things for all of us. So we have known the now talent of our Akash Goswami, and definitely he will inspire other youngsters that they also will come forward and they will write. And the poem, I will just like to finish with one poem of Jaishankar Prasad in the Kamini, that is the epic. They say that Kamini is a very difficult words, combination of difficult words. Had it been really in the plain words, it would have been more rather readable or more popular than the Ramcharit Manas. Jaishankar Prasad Kamini writes about the complete before the theory, bank theory, how the complete world is completely submerged, and how we see that world, how it becomes. So he's saying, so दृग बंद हो तब तुम अकेले स्वप्न में आया करो. He loves someone and he just wishes that he is beloved. दृग बंद हो तब तुम तब स्वप्न में आया प्रीति करो अपनी प्रभा वेतन कभी न और to the नारी, to the ladies, नारी तुम केवल श्रद्धा हो, विश्वास रजत मत पत्तल में पीयूष स्रोत सी बहा करो, पीयूष से अमृत की तरह बहा करो जीवन के सुंदर से. Really created such a wonderful scenario, the picture, the imagination, the illusion, the contacts, that it is far beyond our imagination of our normal people. So with these few words, once again I wish him a grand success in life and all the best from our nation, from all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for those inspiring words. Now I'd like to request our Dean, Professor Rajesh Bagunar, sir, to say a few words and bless Akash on this occasion.
Sure. Thank you so much. In fact, I am wishing this occasion physically. All right. Param Adaraniya Devendra Pathak ji, Vice Chancellor of the University, Head of the Law College Dehradun, Professor Poonam Rawat, प्रोफेसर विंजामुरी मैम, और आज के मुख्य अतिथि मंजर आकाश, तमाम मैं देख रहा हूं हमारे लॉ कॉलेज के फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, और इसे बहुत ही अच्छे प्रकार से कवरेज कर रहे हैं वेद प्रकाश जी और तमाम साथियों. मैं आप सबको अभिनंदन करता हूं, अभिवादन करता हूं आप सबका. और सर्वप्रथम मैं आपको वर्ल्ड बुक डे और कॉपीराइट डे की बधाई देता हूं. आज इस नौजवान कवि द्वारा रचित मैं क्या लिखूं के विमोचन के अवसर पर मैं अपने आप को गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहा हूं. और गौरवान्वित इसलिए महसूस कर रहा हूं कि आज आकाश, जितनी तुम्हारी उम्र है उतनी ही उम्र लॉ कॉलेज देहरादून की है. जब लॉ कॉलेज देहरादून 1 अगस्त को जन्म लेकर के 2002 में अपनी 6वीं मना रहा था, तो बिहार के इस गांव में इस बच्चे का जन्म हो रहा था. मेरे लिए यह विशेष सहयोग की बात है, विशेष संतुष्टि की बात है कि जहां आज उस काल के मेरे साथियों ने, आदरणीय चांसलर श्री जितेंद्र जोशी जी ने शायद ये कल्पना भी नहीं की होगी कि आने वाले समय में हम बड़े बड़े वकील और जज ही नहीं देंगे, लेकिन इस कॉलेज में कवियों की भी उत्पत्ति होगी. मैं इसके लिए आपको सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं. आज जो ये कविता का संकलन का विमोचन हुआ, इसकी 20 की 20 कविताएं यकीन मानिए हृदय को छूने वाली हैं. चाहे फिर वो तुम आजाद हो या फिर तुम याद कर लेते। हर कविता में अपनी विशेषता है, और मैं इस बात के लिए बधाई देता हूं मंजर तुम्हें कि आपने हर किसी पल को और क्षण को छूने में चूक नहीं की, चाहे फिर वो परिवार हो और चाहे वो सामूहिक घटनाएं हो, चाहे वो सुशांत का जीवन ही क्यों ना हो। और एक अच्छा कवि वही होता है जो कि अपने आसपास वातावरण में होने वाली चीजों से न केवल प्रभावित हो, बल्कि उनको अपनी लेखनी से अपने कविता का अंग भी बना दे। मैं इस बात से बहुत ज्यादा प्रभावित हुआ कि आप जब परिवार के बारे में लिखते हो, होली दिवाली के बारे में लिखते हो, अपने रिश्ते नातों के बारे में लिखते हो, तो बड़े हृदय से लिखते हो। और मैं इस बात के लिए आपको आशीर्वाद देता हूं कि आपकी लेखनी इसी तरह से चलती रहे और छोटी सी छोटी घटनाओं को कविता का रूप दे दे। आकाश, तुमने एक बड़ा प्रश्न खड़ा कर दिया, मैं क्या लिखूं? अरे तू तो शतरंज का खिलाड़ी है, किसी को गिरा, किसी को बढ़ा, किसी को उठा, और जिनको उठते पड़ते देखता है उन्हीं को लेखबद्ध कर दे। और फिर तेरी उस कविता का क्या होगा जिसमें तूने कहा है मैंने अल्फाज रहते हुए गूंगा रहना नहीं सीखा। इन कदमों में चलने वाला मैं क्या लिखूं? तेरे हृदय में कवि है। एक कवि का दिल जो सोचता है लिख, एक कवि का दिल जो कल्पना करता है लिख, एक कवि का दिल जो अनुभव करता है लिख। और कवि का हृदय जब निकल करके आता है किताबों में, तो फिर क्या लिखूं की कोई सीमा नहीं रहती है। मैं पुनः इस बात के लिए बधाई देता हूं, और मैं बहुत संतुष्ट हूं, प्रसन्न हूं कि लॉ कॉलेज देहरादून में तुम आए हो, और ये आपकी पहली कविता न रह करके ये एक शुरुआत है। और बेटे, मैं इस बात के लिए भी तुम्हें बधाई देता हूं कि आज आपकी इस कविता का, इस संकलन का विमोचन आदरणीय प्रोफेसर देवेंद्र पाठक जी के द्वारा हो रहा है। उनका आशीर्वाद अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा आशीर्वाद है, और वहां पर आपकी एचओडी और गुंजामुरी मैम बहुत तल्लीनता से इसमें लगे हुए हैं। आदरणीय चांसलर सर का भी मैं अब्सेंस से आपको कह दूं, उनका पूर्ण आशीर्वाद आपके साथ है। उनके मेरे साथ में वार्ता हो चुकी है, और कतिपय कारणों से वो नहीं आ पाए, लेकिन हम सबका आशीर्वाद तुम्हारे साथ में है। और मैं पुनः आपको बधाई देता हूं, अब सबको बधाई देता हूं, और अपने शिक्षकों को जो देख रहे हैं उनको बधाई देता हूं कि आपके बीच में एक कवि का जन्म हुआ, और हम साथ साथ चले। जैसे जैसे लॉ कॉलेज चला, वैसे वैसे ही मंजर आकाश चला। इस बात के लिए पुनः बधाई देता हूं। धन्यवाद, और धन्यवाद करता हूं।
Thank you very much, sir. So I think we'll have to end this event today. But then before we do that, I'd like the poet himself share a few of his experiences while writing, and also probably some of his favorite works.
शुभावरण आप सभी को। आदरणीय वाइस चांसलर सर, डीन सर, एचओडी मैम, शिक्षकगण और जितने भी लोग जुड़ पाए हैं इस कार्यक्रम से, आप सभी को मैं तहे दिल से प्रणाम करता हूँ, आशीर्वाद का भागी हूँ। चट्टान सी खड़ी है मुसीबत, सागर की लहर बन हम टकराएंगे, बिखर रहा है इंसान जर्रा जर्रा, हम कोरोना के इस डर को सवार ले जाएंगे, हम कोरोना के इस डर को सवार ले जाएंगे। कोरोना के इस घड़ी में आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूं लॉ कॉलेज देहरादून उत्तरांचल विश्वविद्यालय का, जिन्होंने इस अदने से बालक को इतना बड़ा मंच दिया। सच में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ उन तमाम लोगों का जिनका साथ पूरे सफ़र में रहा। जैसा उम्र का तकाजा है वैसा चलना भी नहीं सीखा, बेबाक लिखता हूँ आज भी मैंने अल्फाज रहते गूंगा होना नहीं सीखा, मैंने अल्फाज रहते गूंगा होना नहीं सीखा। अगर बात करूँ तो यह पुस्तक जज्बात का समावेश है, जज्बात जो एक आम इंसान के होते हैं, मेरे और आपके होते हैं। पुस्तक में मौजूद जज्बात के भरे समुद्र से कुछ बूंदें मैं आप लोगों तक लाना चाहता हूँ। पृष्ठ संख्या 23, शीर्षक है घर कहाँ पास है। अब नहीं है त्योहार जो घर पर मनाए थे, मिलते कहाँ वो फुलझड़ी जो छठ में जलाए थे। छठ हमारे बिहार का बहुत ही फेमस पर्व है, उसी पे है कि अब नहीं है त्योहार जो घर पर बनाए थे, मिलते कहाँ वो फुलझड़ी जो छठ में जलाए थे। अब ना वो तरकीब है और ना वो जगह बची, नुक्का चोरी खेलने को जो कभी घर पर बनाए थे। चाह है कि घर में घूम लूँ, आंगन में खुद को छोड़ दूँ, बरसात में नंगे पाँव गली गली में झूम लूँ, बरसात में नंगे पाँव गली गली में झूम लूँ। द्वार से निकलकर बगीचे सारे छांट लूँ, बचपन से मिलकर मैं बचपना उधार लूँ, बचपन से मिलकर मैं बचपना उधार लूँ। अब कभी शहर में शामें वो ढलती नहीं, अब कहाँ है रोशनी तुलसी में जो जल रही, अब कहाँ है रोशनी तुलसी में जो जल रही। जुस्तजू है फिर वही रात हो, घर की कच्ची दीवार हो, पिता की डांट इस तरफ तो माँ का दुलार उस पार हो, पिता की डांट इस तरफ तो माँ का दुलार उस पार हो। चाहते हो अनगिनत और गलतियां हजार हो, नए कपड़े मिले महज बस त्योहार का इंतजार हो। पर नैनों में पीर है अनकहे से तीर हैं, वो भी क्या दिन थे जब साथ हम सभी थे। अब तो बस दिलों में कसक है, बेहिसाब सा रंज है, आंगन मेरा बड़ा ही पाक है, सच में घर कहाँ पास है, सच में घर कहाँ पास है। आशा करता हूँ अल्फाज में छुपे जज्बात आप सभी तक पहुँचे होंगे। यह पुस्तक जैसा मैम ने बताया मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी पोइट्री वर्ल्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने पब्लिश की है और यह विविंग ऑनलाइन पर ऐप पर भी है, अमेजॉन, फ्लिपकार्ट, गूगल प्ले, इन सारे जगहों पर है। मेरे गुरु मनोज मुंतशिर जी का अगर जिक्र ना करूं तो शायद नाइंसाफी हो, तो उनकी कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ अपनी वाणी को मैं विराम दूंगा कि जूते फटे पहन के आसमान पे चढ़े थे, जूते फटे पहन के आसमान पे चढ़े थे, सपने हरदम हमारी औकात से भरे थे, सपने हरदम हमारी औकात से भरे थे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Akash. It was really nice listening to you say it from with a lot of expression, I must say. And I think we should have one of these evenings, with your kind permission, where we can have a literary evening with young budding students. Probably we have many more Akashs across our university in the various departments, and we look forward to meeting many more. Thanks for being an inspiration for the younger generation, where poetry is still alive. And that's a big thing for us. Some of us who were born poets, we have also amongst us one of amazing poets, Mr. Sudhir Jugran. So he writes amazing couplets in Hindi. So I think you have some of us who can actually join you in these these mehfils, as we call them. So with this, I thank Professor Devendra Pathak ji, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, for gracing the occasion and blessing our student Akash, and Professor Rajesh Baguna ji, who had been here virtually though, but then it really means a lot to us, sir. I'm sure Akash appreciates this gesture. I also thank Poonam ma'am from Law College Dehradun, our HOD, all my colleagues out there virtually who have obliged my request and have joined me, Sukhi sir, Anil sir, Abhiranjan sir, and a whole lot of you there. Akhilesh, I see all of you out there. Thank you so much. And I personally would like to take this occasion to thank Rajesh Devrari ji, the head QMS, who's representing also our librarian, our chief librarian, Dr. N.C. Unyal ji here, who's not with us physically, but then he's virtually available with us. And I also thank my friend and colleague, Mr. Ankur Jaswal, who's actually been the man behind this young artist, who's introduced him onto this platform. And on this occasion, I also would like to thank our poet, Sudhir Jugranji and Aditya. And thank you so much, Ved sir, for joining us at a very short notice, and also Arun sir for facilitating this evening. So with this, I'd like to thank Uttaranchal University, Honorable Chancellor sir, who have given this opportunity to have this wonderful book launch for our student Akash Goswami. And also all my teachers, all the participants who graced this occasion at a very short notice, and making this World Book Day and Copyright Day memorable for us at the university as also at Law College Dehradun. Thank you so much.